Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made this beautiful twist braid, stay glued to this video and watch till the end. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. So I started with applying a little gel for a clean parting and also for the head to relax. As you can see, I take my time in parting the hair for a very clean result. So in this video I'm using the Bob Marley method to start my twist braid. You start the hair with Bob Marley and then you twist. Now I'm going to start my Bob Marley with knotless braid. And also I'll share the link another method you can start your twist braid with. I already did a video on 3 ways to start a twist braid, so I'll leave the link on this video if you've not watched it to see other methods, the other 2 methods to start your twist braid. So as you can see, I started with just the hair. Now I'm adding the extension bit by bit. This is the second one. After the second one, now I'm going to split the hair in 2. As you can see, I'm already dividing the hair in 2 instead of 3. Now I'm splitting it into 2. Now I'm going to start twisting. Now I'm twisting it, and then I've already switched the first one. Before I continue switching, I'm going to add extra extension because I want the twist braid to come out bold. So I already added. Now as you can see, I'm twisting and I'm switching, twist and switch. Yes, that is the secret method to achieve a very beautiful and strong twist braid, guys. If you don't twist your braid before switching, it's not going to be fine, it's not going to be strong, it won't last. So I'm adding another extension. As you can see, I twisted it before I added it in between the already twisting braid. So that is it, guys. Twist and switch. As you can see, I'm twisting it very strong. See, I'm twisting the one under and on top. Alright, so I'm starting with the second one again. I started with just the hair. You know the way you start your knotless braid. Then I'm adding the first extension. If you've not watched the video on how to start a knotless braid, guys, I'm going to leave the link on this video, so go watch it. Now I'm adding the second extension. After this second extension, I'm going to start my twist braid now. So now I'm dividing the hair into 2. Yes, I'm splitting it now into 2. I'm twisting it. The reason is for it to give you that twist braid look from where the Bob Marley stops. Yes, so I'm twisting the under one now, then I'm switching. Exactly, twist and switch. So I'm adding another extension. I already said it because I want it to have a bold look. I want it to be bold. Twist and switch. Now guys, let me give you a tip. If you want your twist braid to come out really nice, at the end of your natural hair, just add a little bit of gel. You know, our natural hair is rough naturally. The tip is rough, so just add a little bit of gel at the tip to achieve that smooth and beautiful hair style, the twist style. So this is the third one. As you can see, forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share my videos. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for your support, and if you're a newcomer, please don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, this is our beautiful twist braid. It's beautiful, right? Please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime we post new videos. Thanks for watching guys. See you on my next video. Bye.